This is a quick review of the Roomba 650 by iRobot. It's the entry-level vacuuming robot targeted at people with smaller living areas. In the box, you'll get the Roomba itself, a self-charging base, an extra AeroVac filter, an auto virtual wall, and a cleaning tool. Here are a few stats you should care about. The unit is 13.5 inches wide, 3.6 inches tall, and weighs 8 pounds. A battery charge should last 45 to 90 minutes depending on the terrain. It adjusts to all floor types including carpet, tile, hardwood, and laminate. It can be scheduled to run once per day automatically. Here are a few negatives. It can get stuck under furniture if its clearance is close to the Roomba's height. It may go into a room like a bathroom and shut the door on itself. The patterns on the carpet will not look perfect like your dad mows the grass. It will look randomly clean, and you will get used to it. Chairs and stools with narrow legs will need to be moved prior to running the Roomba. The Roomba has many positives. It picks up tons of dog hair, and in general, you will be surprised at how much it will pick up on a daily basis. People who run Roomba daily report they don't need to dust as often, and their HVAC filters last longer. Plus, it's a robot, and robots are cool. Your kids will probably even give it a name. There is one warning, though. Make sure there is no dog poop in the Roomba's way, or it could drag it all over your carpet. Thanks for watching. Here are links to some of my other quick review videos. For future quick reviews, hit the subscribe button. If you happen to like the Roomba 650 quick review, I would love it if you hit the thumbs up.